Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 15th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the 4 stars Sudoku number 7626. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only 1 1. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 1 4, 2 5s, 4 6s, alright, 4 7s, alright, 2 8s, and 4 9s. Well, we have the 6s, the 7s, and the 9s are in majority, yes, majority. Alright, let me see. Can I start with a 6? Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Well, not true. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this third row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about the 7s? 7. So yeah, 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7 now. How about the 9s then? The 9s. Alright, we have a pair. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left for 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. Well. Still having troubles with the 6. No. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. How about the The 7 will be difficult. Yeah. 6 and a 9. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Okay, other number. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For almost 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then need 2 here, need 2 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Yeah. Still having troubles with the 9. How about the 7s? Well, difficult with the 7s. 3, need an 8 here. We have a pair. The 7 and 8 in this row. The 7 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. Here we have a pair, there a pair. So 1 digit left in the third row for the other 1. 2, 3 is missing here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Well. 8. 8 here. Come on. Need a 4, need a 2 here. Yeah, need a 2 there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there, need a 2 here. Okay. And now. Let me think. Need a 5 here. I need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Alright. 1, 4. 2. Need a 2 here. 1, 5, 2. Okay, and now 1, 1. Come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. No 1 here, the 1 should be there. 9 should be here. 9 should be here. How about the 7? 7 should be there. Well, we have here 3 numbers. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left with 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left with 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So if eliminated there, the 5, so the 5 goes there. Right, 5 by 5. 1, 2, 7, 9. The other 2 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. Okay. Need a 2 here. Let me think. Well. 8. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for 3 should be there. Need a 3 here, and I believe need a 9 there. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this column. 3 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for 3 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 9. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. Look, we have 3 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then a 3 there, need a 3 here also. 3, need a 1 here, and I need a 4 here. Could be everywhere, okay. We have 8, need an 8 there. 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. From that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those, 1 and the 4. Let me see. Yeah. Need a 2 here. 2 there, 2 here. Alright. Come on. This is taking too long. I want 8. 8. 7 and 8. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 should be here. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. Now we got you the 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Need a 7 there. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. The 8, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And now we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the third row. In that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this third column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Then how about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 9 and the 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. A 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. A 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. We solve it again, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.